welcome into my channel, Only Chris. As you can see, it's just a little crusty, but as you can see, your girl is now a redhead. I dyed my hair and I actually recorded a video for it. Yes, I dyed my hair and I'm loving the color. Honestly, it was an impulsive decision because I was just so tired of like just the regular black hair and I needed some change. And it's not like a major change or anything, but like, let me get in some better lighting. Yeah, okay, I'm in my closet. As you can see, it's like something, so I like it. Yeah, your girl dyed her hair. As you can tell by the title, today's video is another wig reinstall. The wig reinstall for you guys. This wig that I got a while back, it is from Nadula Hair. It is a very beautiful wig. First things first, I gotta wash my hair and then kind of put some braids in it. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So since in my most previous wig reinstall video, I'm voicing over and basically taking y'all step by step through the process, I'm not going to be doing as much talking in this video.
Oh!
Y'all, me not knowing that I'm about to run completely out of lace glue, I'm sitting here struggling, figuring out how I'm gonna lay this wig down if I don't have no more lace glue. So I'm basically just trying to thug it out, figuring out how I'm gonna do this. And so I decide to at least attempt to make sure that this wig is gonna be laid with some got to be glue. So keep watching to see how I pull off this wig with no lace glue. In my mind, I was really just about to give up. Cause like, look at my ball cap. It was literally lifting. But I was like, nah, let me keep forward. I'm not gonna give up. Y'all, I thought it was gonna turn out worse than how it actually did. So I got a little excited, but no, it still looks really bad. So at this point, I'm just trusting the process, doing what I can to critique this lace, cause baby, it's definitely giving crusty right now. And just keep watching the video, y'all, to see how I snap on this wig. Keep in mind, I barely had any lace glue, so I had to substitute it with got to be spray. So just keep that in mind and keep watching. Moral of today's video, never give up, for you will not know what you are capable of. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and also leave a comment on how you think I did on this wig and what other videos you'd like to see from me in the future. I hope you beautiful people have a blessed day, week, weekend, whatever the case may be. I love you guys.